Hey Mystics! We're here to do a deck unboxing of the Chinese 5 Elements Oracle. This is an Oracle deck by Vicki Iskandar, who's the author, and the illustrations are by Candice soon. I had Vicki on my podcast, the Graced podcast, and she does do a collective reading inside of that episode. And at the time of this recording, it happens to be the Wood Snake year, and we also dive into what that means for this current year. We're also doing a giveaway of this deck on the Graced podcast, so I will link giveaway details inside of this video, but also check out that episode as well. And if you're interested, I also have a free tarot cheat sheet that you can download, and I'll also leave that link inside the description box. So let's get into the deck unboxing. So we have this gorgeous phoenix on the cover of the box. On the back of the box, I'll read a little bit of it, but it says, "What if you could access spiritual guidance from an oracle deck designed to open a portal to the wisdom of the Tao and the profoundly healing world of Chinese astrology?" These stunningly designed cards feature 60 possible combinations or pillars of the 10 heavenly stems that represent the yin or yang qualities of the 5 elements. And inside the Graced podcast episode with Vicki, we do speak more about that, and she explains what that means. So the 5 elements are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, and the 12 earthly branches, which are the animal signs of Chinese astrology. Alright, so let's get into what's inside the box. Inside the box it says, "Attune to the healing power of nature with the 5 elements." And let's take a look at the cards. I did open this box for the episode, so I think usually the book is on top of the cards. But here we are, and on the back of the cards we have an illustration of the phoenix and dragon, which are powerful mythical creatures, especially in Asian culture. But let's look through the cards together. I really enjoy these illustrations. I think they're really cute. Earth Monkey, this is the card I pulled right before I recorded the episode with Vicki. Fire Sheep. Fire Horse. Wood Snake, that's this current year. So cute. All the illustrations. Just gonna move this over so we have more space. So I'm just pulling these so you get a sense of what the cards look and feel like if you want to use this in your own practice. I'll also leave a link to this deck on Amazon if you're interested. But yeah, I love all of these illustrations. And as a guide, I feel like this could be a good practice to connect with the elements and also the animals of the Chinese zodiac. Oh, I love that one. Earthbird. I have a thing for phoenixes, for sure. And it's always a sign when I see a phoenix around. Like, I'll see, for example, yesterday, I saw a huge phoenix on a truck. And I always feel like that's a sign from the universe. These are so cute. Like, look at this one with Kuan Yin. Alright, so this is the deck unboxing, but I also want you to get a feel of what's inside the guidebook. So I'm just gonna randomly select a card for the collective, and we have Fire Ox. So let's see, we've got some spreads in here, explains what the pillars are, and let's go to the Fire Ox description, which is number 14. So I appreciate when Oracle decks have numbers on them. It just makes it a lot easier to navigate. We have Fire Ox, a beacon of light. The flickering yin fire in the Fire Ox pillar may bring unpredictability and highs and lows, but as long as you keep your focus on the road ahead, trust that your faith will guide you on your path. The persistent ox, a yin earth sign, gently reminds us that consistency can help bring stability when life gets unpredictable. With hidden yin metal and yin water inside the ox, a practice of self-reflection will help uncover more of the wisdom within. This card is an acknowledgement that your dedication to your vision is key to your success and growth. All your hard work is finally starting to bear fruit, and you can now see the light at the end of the tunnel. You're becoming an inspiration to others, whether you realize it or not. Your pains and sacrifices to get to this point are worth sharing. In fact, the more you tell your stories, the bigger your light will shine. Sharing how you've surmounted some of life's biggest challenges to a larger world is part of your life purpose. Message from heaven. Like the flame of a candle can ignite many others, you can make a difference too. Even if you inspire just one person, that person may light the inner fire of many others. Thanks to you. Message from Earth. The ox is a sign known for consistency. Maintaining a routine may sound boring, but it can serve as a guide to manifesting your dreams. There's wisdom in the mundane. Let it be an inspiration. Wow, super feeling that personally as a message. I feel like as a creative person, for so long, I've resisted routine, and now I've come to love consistency of having like a day-to-day routine of knowing what I'm doing and how I do things, and I have become a lover of systems. So anyway, that concludes the unboxing of the Chinese 5 Elements Oracle. This is a different format from how I usually do deck unboxings, a little less formal than I have been doing them, and I hope you like this new format. But anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the podcast episode also. And if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and all the things. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye!